Good morning, Trader James here on Wednesday, June 18th. Going to do a quick trade review. Two trades today. Missed my first entry. Just market moved a little too quick. Tried a second attempt, or tried my first attempt. Was a loss at my 1R, and then second attempt was the winner at 6R for my day maker at 5R for the day, and done. So two trades total, one win, one loss, zero break even, plus 5R on the day. So I just want to do a quick little trade review of what I was looking for this morning. So I'm just going to go have the 15-minute on the left, the 5-minute on the right on NQ here. So just a larger structure. This is what I was looking for. 15-minute low, 15-minute high, 15-minute higher low, 15-minute lower high. I was looking for the consolidation here for 15-minute lower high to continue and push further, which we did get. Market moved too quick right off the bat for me to get into the first entry. You'll see this first arrow is where I would have entered if I had enough time. If the market, initially came up a little, I would have had time to put my order in, but it just, that candle closed, the next one immediately just kept continuing down. So I missed that, and it happened so fast that it came all the way down to somewhere around here, and then right back up. And so it's like, all right, I'm going to reload on this. I'm going to try it again. So instead of taking the entry here, which it didn't get up to, I decided, all right, I'm going to take the 5-minute low here. If we break that 5-minute low, I'm going to get back in. So came up, put my order in, came down, entered, went back up, and hit my stop loss before. I think I ended up getting a fill down here initially. It was moving so fast, it got stopped. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to give it a second chance. So I put my entry in. It was somewhere around here. I think maybe a few points lower by my fill. 10-point stop loss, 30-point take profit. Right down here is my first take profit. Moved nicely, added a second position. So first position, breaking the 5-minute low, added a second position at 10 points lower, then moved my stop to that initial entry point. So now I have a average of around here with a 5-point stop above. So equal risk to that initial one position. And then I decided with my second position, I'm going to let it ride a little bit because there's lots of room still for the 5-minute oversold here. So there was definitely room to come down to 5-minute oversold. So I left that at a 30-point take profit as well. So first one, I got out at the 30 points, second one out at 30 points, so that I ended at 5R on the day. Happy with that trade. Definitely could have been a little bit more quick on the draw initially. It just happened so fast. Flushed down, came up, then took that first trade, was a loss. Second trade, second attempt at that same trade was a win. Decent setup initially. I usually do just take the 5-minute candle break entries, but occasionally I'll take support breaks or as well. So this one I would say was a B trade, B plus. Happy with it. If I was still trading this inside bar off of oversold here, it would have been a great entry as well. Definitely would have fit my game plan, another 5R or more trade easily here. Just to show you kind of what I would have done if I missed this entry, I would have taken a something like this, break of that inside bar, and then I would have added a second position at 10 points, which where were we, 67 something, and 77 something there, roughly something like that. On that second entry, I would have moved my stop loss up, so now I have the same risk, double the size, and then out there. I would have probably not stretched it too much, especially because we're coming back up and retesting the open. So yeah, just sticking to my game plan. I did well today. No pre-market trades. Been struggling with that. Had to just walk away from the screen this morning in order to keep that from happening. Mental state, 8 out of 10 is what I marked down at 9:25 this morning. So good there for trading. And then I marked down a 9 out of 10 after finishing trading. Just feeling good about my performance. Feeling good about trading. It's my first day this week trading, and it's good to be back at it. Tomorrow market's closed, and then Friday I'll have a little bit of the morning as well to trade. Let's see, anything else in my notes here? No, that was pretty much it. So yeah, any questions about that trade or my game plan, just let me know. Feeling good, and we're on to another day. Off from our run now, and then work later on this afternoon. Have a good one.